Newsmax didn't go public via the typical Wall Street route, which is you go hire investment bankers, you disclose everything, you pay a lot of fees to these investment bankers to then run the circuit, go cheerlead for you, build the book, do the road show, take you public. I get it. I'm not knocking it. I'm just pointing out how it happens. So you pay a couple $1,000,000 in fees. You have to give away a certain percentage, typically of your stock, to the big banks. So you're looking at millions and millions and millions in fees if you go that route via Wall Street. And I'm not saying that's bad. That's good for the biggest and best companies who that kind of money isn't a big deal to them. It doesn't move the needle. So Wall Street is looking for your big deals, your 100 million and plus, your billions of dollars and whatever. But there's a huge gap between your small deals and your big deals. As Frank has talked about in the closing of the Sugarfina deal. Hey, why did Curzio Research get that deal? Well, because there's a need to fill a smaller gap. And then you go tap into who has access to those markets, private, accredited investors, et cetera. What's wild here is that Newsmax went the Reg A route. Now, what does that mean? That means it's capped at raising $75 million. That's the most you can raise in a Reg A plus. That was increased from $50 million. It used to be back in 2021, the way I understand it, you could only raise $50 million. So it's good to see our elitist allow us regular retail folks a little bit of wiggle room there. So you can raise $75 million. That's what Newsmax did. They hit the max. They offered 7.5 million shares at $10 a share. Now, why would you do that if you're Newsmax? Well, it's a lot cheaper. You probably spent hundreds of thousands of dollars or a couple hundreds of thousands of dollars versus your several million to go Wall Street route. Newsmax can also sell it to whoever they want to. You don't have to be an accredited investor, meaning you don't have to make X per year or be worth X to check that box and say you're an accredited investor.